I think it was the right thing to do because we want to keep people safe and we want to keep people healthy.
A major blow for fitness fans and Columbus businesses today as state leaders cancel several major events surrounding the Arnold Sports Festival. It begins in just 2 days. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us tonight at 11. I'm Colleen Marshall. The announcement comes as another Ohioan is being tested for the COVID-19, showing symptoms that are worrying health officials. That person is the 8th person in Ohio under investigation for the coronavirus. All 7 others eventually tested negative. Meanwhile, the death toll in the United States continues to rise. 9 people have now died from the virus, all victims living in the state of Washington, as new cases are popping up across the country. And the World Health Organization reporting more than 90,000 people have been infected all over the world, and the death toll nears 3,000. Athletes from some of those highly infected countries have been told to stay away from the Arnold Sports Festival this week. Sean Lanier is live at John Glenn International Airport, where local health officials are going to be greeting athletes coming into our region. And Sean, they're going to be screening them there right at the airport?
Yeah, that's right. Columbus public health staff members have already screened 5 athletes that came here to the airport as they were being greeted here for the Arnold. They say they will be asking questions pertaining to where they've traveled to in the past 2 weeks. They're also going to ask if they've been in contact with anyone with COVID-19 in the past 2 weeks. They're going to ask them if they had a fever within the past 24 hours and also taking their temperature right here in the airport before these athletes even go to their hotels. These may seem like drastic measures, but state and local health officials say it's necessary.
Based upon what we know at this moment, we believe it is clearly the right decision at the right time.
It's the first interruption of the Arnold Sports Festival since it started in 1989. The spread of COVID-19 and the uncertainty of the virus have forced local and state officials and even event organizers to prevent any spectators from all events except for the Arnold Classic World Bodybuilding Championship Finals scheduled for Saturday night. The competition for the more than 22,000 athletes, however, will still happen.
This is fast evolving. It's changing, and the facts change every single day.
The reason behind the late decision is because the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention released new guidelines for mass gatherings today.
There had been no previous guidance from the CDC at all on COVID-19 and mass gatherings.
The Arnold brings more than 200,000 spectators to Columbus from around the world and more than $50 million to the region. But health officials and Governor DeWine believe that the event makes an ideal place for the spread of disease, and that is why they're restricting who can go to the event. Arnold Schwarzenegger agrees with the plan.
We would never choose making money over people's health.
Columbus Public Health says it has the staff to monitor the 22,000 athletes coming to Columbus at the airport, but they can't screen more than that. The health commissioner says they won't monitor athletes from the 5 countries where there's an outbreak of COVID-19.
All athletes from China, Italy, Japan, Iran, and South Korea will be excluded from participating in the event.
Adding they've sent prevention messages to all other athletes, prevention which includes hand washing, coughing in your arm, and staying away from people if you're sick. And Mount Carmel is the health provider for the Arnold. They will continue to monitor the athletes once they get to the event, asking some of the same questions that will be asked here at the airport. As for the expo and the trade show, it's been postponed. There is no date for when they'll reschedule that at this time. Local for you at John Glenn International Airport, Sean Lanier, NBC4.
You know, Sean, I was wondering, you were talking earlier about the fact that they are going to let people come into those finals Saturday night. Is it, I think you said it's because of how they'll be seated during that event?
Well, essentially the expo and the trade show, you have a lot of people walking around, interacting with each other, and there is no way for medical professionals to monitor if any of those people will have part of the disease. They said, part of the virus. They said with this show that's on Saturday, it's like a basketball game. Essentially, you go into the arena, you're not doing too much interaction, it's pretty much controlled. That's why they're allowing that to happen. They said it will be just like going to an Ohio State basketball game, Colleen.
All right, Sean, thank you so much. I know you've done a lot of work on that story today. Thank you. Well, Arnold Schwarzenegger was sending out a video message just moments over that announcement after it was made. He called today a sad day, but he defended the decision to limit crowds in Columbus over the next several days.
And we are promoting the health and fitness convention. So to us, we are the biggest and the best in the world, but making money is less important than being healthy and promoting health and fitness. We want people to stay healthy and fit. That's what it's all about.